So it's such a beautiful day today. Let's see what, it's 40 degrees out and it's like 4:30. Still got my cough, but we're just kind of cleaning up from the weekend, having the pork here and stuff. We're gonna do a few things with the trucks and tractors, maybe get some hay for the goats. So won't you come farming with us? Looky there, another flat tire. It's that season. So Joseph informed me that in a few months we're probably gonna buy some more chickens. They actually had, the dog got 2 of them. Now keep in mind, these chickens we've had probably for 2 years. They're on the downhill slope. Uh-oh, the dogs are coming. Stay out of there. But, so hopefully in April or so, we'll get a new litter, and have more eggs again. Because I think right now maybe we're getting 1 or 2 every couple of days, which ain't great. So, but we only have 3 left. We had 8. Just clean it up. Yeah. Been up to Mama goat and her babies. Oh, one of her babies. We haven't been as much hands-on as with some of these kids as we used to be. This mama loves her ears rubbed, which most goats don't. But she's she's also a La Mancha, so she has the short ears. They're all waiting for food. Nothing like the smell of some diesel fuel. What's he doing? He's backing the trailer up? Probably wishes I would guide him, huh? He's waving at you. Oh, he was waving. Stop. You can go back just a touch. Stop. A touch more. Stop. Okay, that's good. Silas, you can't just sit on my bed. Stay right by me. Yep, I'm videoing. Good, good. Watch what Daddy does. Oops. Yep, can you come look and see what Daddy does? So we did end up turning the bin off. I missed it that one day. I was videoing for you guys, but Joseph turned it off that day, and then he actually turned it back on, I think that night, and then turned it off again yesterday. So we'll see if he turns it on tonight. It might get a little cooler tonight, not sure. We need to probably work on getting a big round bill out here tonight or tomorrow night. Oh, there he goes. He's gonna close the bin up. I'm not 100% sure how he knows when to do that, when to turn the bin on. I mean, obviously it has to do with weather and humidity and stuff, but I always think, you know, God forbid it was just me. I mean, I'm sure I'd learn how it works because that's how he has learned. Or that's how he knows he's learned over time, but there's just a lot of things to learn on a farm. So, but I'm glad it's not icy out because that always makes me nervous when he goes up there and it's so icy. So the dogs got another one of our chickens. So before Joseph got home, I was, oh, just so you guys know, this is the next day. I filmed some yesterday evening. But before Joseph got home, we were going to try and take the chicken out, or the bird, whatever you want to call it, the chicken, out to the ravine in the field. And so I hopped on the four-wheeler and I turned the gas on and it's not working. So I really don't want to walk out there with a toddler and a chicken. But I really don't. I've never hooked up like the jumper cables to the four-wheeler. I don't even like doing that to a vehicle. So I don't know. It just won't even turn over. I'm sure it's probably because it's been sitting all winter, but it should. I mean, usually it just starts right up. So I don't know if it's the battery. I don't know if it's a wire issue or if it's just because cold, but it's super nice today. So I thought it would start. Anyways, kind of stuck. Not sure what I'm going to do. I'll keep you updated. So praise the Lord. Whoa, 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 buddy. Keep it in gear right now. Keep it in neutral. I called Joseph and he's like, just try and choke it. So we did that and we got it working. Should have thought of that, but didn't. I honestly didn't know really what the choke did. So happy camper here. Oh, whoops. Probably shouldn't show that. So Joseph is home and we are going to get them a big round bale. What I'm going to do is go open the end over there. Before that, I will go in and open the baler up, or open the feeder up. And then I'll end up just feeding them down here. And then running this way. Anyone who's seen our videos before, you've seen me do this a few times. Then we bring the tractor in this way, back up, and put the bale down. And then we shut the fence back up and they're all good. And Joseph takes his fine off. So, got my feed ready. Joseph will be coming shortly. The tractor. There she blows. She must have started right away. So usually I show you guys what I do while Joseph's getting the bale. So I'm gonna actually show you what he does getting the bale this time. I mean, I'm sure if you've seen any kind of farm videos, you've probably seen what I'm gonna show you. But the cool thing is that I'll just stay over here. You know, it looks somewhat easy to pick the bale up, and it's not, especially with older tractors, just because depending on how heavy the bale is, you you know, I can kind of lift the front end of the tractor up. It just really depends on a few different things. And so Joseph is very skilled at it. He's been doing it forever. But me, I've done it a few times with Joseph on the tractor with me. And it goes fine, but it's not something I'm comfortable doing on my own. So. I don't know why he's backing up like a fourth of a mile, but so he lowers the fork, slide that in there, and then as you go forward, you want to kind of like slowly but fast pick it up. It's kind of different. As I walk over there, I'll try to show you a little bit of footage of them because I know tractors are cool to see. Does anybody else just have like junk laying around their farm? I think that just kind of happens here and there when you collect used equipment over the years. And watch, now he'll get over here and I don't have anything set up. That's okay. He knows I'm making a video. Is anyone else out there that has goats? I have some goats that just prefer foliage or hay rather than grain, because we definitely have one or two that tend to excuse me, tend to lean more just towards the hay rather than the grain. It's a little different, but probably saves us a little money in the long run.